Hi friends! Today we're going to learn how to draw a unicorn, or unicorno in Italian. First, I'm drawing the head of the unicorn, and this is kind of like a pear shape. Okay, now we're going to draw the mane. This is like the ciuffo, the quiff, and the front of her head. Okay, now we're going to add 2 ears. So let's do 1 and draw the exact same on the other side. 2, great. Now we're going to draw her eyes, and her eyes are closed because she's sleeping. Shh. Let's draw a curved line for the nose, and then a smiling face. And of course, the horn on top of the head.
Hi friends, stick around after we color our unicorn to learn today's colors together with me, Bo Bunny.
A unicorn is a magical creature. It looks like a horse, but it has the horn on its head. Now the tail. The tail is long and it is different colors. So let's draw curved lines to divide where we're gonna color each section. And we'll do the same with the quiff of the mane on top of the head. Great! Now, let's outline our drawing with a thick black marker.
Let's color!
Let's wake up our unicorn. Wakey, wakey! Now let's color her ears pink, or in Italian, rosa. I'm also going to do the muzzle, this is the nose part of the unicorn, in the same pink color as the center of the ears. I like this color. It reminds me of marshmallows or cotton candy, but you can use any color you like. What's really nice about unicorns is that they can be different colors of the rainbow. We've nearly finished. Let's just do the borderline again. Okay, now the next color I'm going to use is red, or rosso in Italian. I'm just doing the mane at the top of the head. Now let's use orange, or in Italian, arancione. Let's see if you can guess what the next color is going to be. It's yellow, or in Italian we say giallo. These are the rainbow colors.
Let's make some fun all across the land.
Now let's move down to color the unicorn's tail. I'm using green, or in Italian we say verde. That's a nice color, green. I like it. Now let's do red again, because red is my favorite color. What's your favorite color? Hey, the tail is the same color as the Italian flag. Green, white, and red. Now let's put in some light blue, or in Italian we say azzurro, just to break those 2 colors up. Yes, this is looking really cool. And of course we have to color in the horn. This is the magic sparkly part of the unicorn. Great job!
Let's learn! This color is pink. Can you say pink? Great! Let's say it again. Pink. Pink in Italian is rosa. Let's say it again. Rosa. Perfetto! This is a pink pig. Questo è un maiale rosa. This color is red. Can you say red? Great! Let's say it again. Red. Red in Italian is rosso. Let's say it again. Rosso. Ottimo! This is a red strawberry. Questa è una fragola rossa. This color is orange. Can you say orange? Well done! Let's say it again. Orange. Orange in Italian is arancione. Let's say it again. Arancione. Ben fatto! This is an orange carrot. Questa è una carota arancione. Let's see what is the next color. This color is yellow. Can you say yellow? Great! Let's say it again. Yellow. Yellow in Italian is giallo. Let's say it again. Giallo. Perfetto! This is a yellow sun. Questo è un sole giallo. This color is green. Can you say green? Great! Let's say it again. Green. Green in Italian is verde. Let's say it again. Verde. Perfetto! This is a green tree. Questo è un albero verde. Let's see what the next color is. This color is light blue. Can you say light blue? Great! Let's say it again. Light blue. Light blue in Italian is azzurro. Let's say it again. Azzurro. Perfetto! This is a light blue whale. Questa è una balena azzurro. Well, friends, if you enjoyed watching this video, take a look at our How to Draw an Easy Lion. And please ask a grown-up to subscribe for more fun bilingual drawing videos for kids. See you in the next video. Bye!